Billy the Artist here, and I want you to enjoy your drawing this holiday with how to draw characters from Aardman. We have Doug, we have Hognob, not Hobnob the Biscuits, Hognob the wild boar, who is Doug's friend and helper. We also have Goona, and we have the villainous evil Lord Nooth. Anyway, check out the links in the cards and in the descriptions, where you can find the links to how to draw these different characters in real time. They're all less than half an hour, so you can just follow along and learn how to draw these amazing characters. And that's what I enjoy doing. There is in my how to draw playlist over 90 videos for you to have fun with, so you can have fun this holidays and also in your evenings and other times. So anyway, I do hope that you check these things out. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, because there are going to be a lot more how to draw videos coming soon. But the techniques that I use in this are also what I do for my full drawings. Again, if you check out the portraits playlist, you will see these, which are, this is Jenna Coleman, who was Lady Victoria, and this is Cheryl the singer. And they are more detailed. They take a long time. They are kind of more than a day. And then this is Peter Capaldi as the Doctor, and Ed Sheeran. Again, these are just simple portraits that I like to do, but all the techniques that I do, I try to encourage and want you guys to learn from checking out these how to draw videos, because I started by drawing cartoon characters that I enjoyed when I was a lot younger. That was over 40 years ago. But anyway, do please check out these individual drawings. They're in the playlist, and the links in also in the description to this YouTube video. So do check them out and enjoy them, and share them with your friends. But also, if you are learning music, please do check out my wife's channel, Sharon Bell, because she has a lot of stuff for beginners on the piano, but also for music theory, which is applicable to any instrument from beginner right the way through to advanced. Anyway, if you check out her channel, you'll see stuff where she'll help you through your ABRSM grades. There are free downloads on her website. That's at sharonbill.com to each of her tutorial series. So check them out and share them out with your friends as well. Anyway, thanks very much. I look forward to sharing more drawing videos with you soon, and please do like and subscribe. Thanks again. Ta-da.